G'day everyone, Pete Techman Coman here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and I'm here with a very special guest, the founder of Lightware Visual Engineering, Mr. Gergely Vida. Welcome, Gergely.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming for our booth.
Well, I love being here. You know I love your product. Okay.
Thank you.
For people who aren't that aware of Lightware, can you give us a little bit of a history of the Lightware, or give us a little bit more information about the Lightware story? When did it start? When did the business start?
We started 1998, so our company is 22-year-old.
Yep.
And my vision was always the pixel perfect switching and extension.
Right.
So to deliver the pixels, audio, video content of the customer untouched, without delay, from point A to point B. It's that simple.
And that was back in 1998.
Yeah, in 1998, yeah that's correct. I used to be a student, and I started with some VGA and RGB developments, and now we have all digital switching and extension products here.
Okay. And then the company's based in Budapest, Hungary?
Yeah, the company is based in Budapest, in Hungary. There we have our engineering team, our production team, so all Lightware products are developed, designed and manufactured in Hungary, Budapest.
And I've been fortunate enough to actually visit your facility and meet all the engineers and see where all the magic happens. It's actually quite impressive.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no, it's very good. I'm a technical person by nature, so I love seeing all the engineering that goes into it. You're not just rebadging boxes from overseas. You're actually designing and engineering and building these products yourselves.
Yeah, that's what we do. I'm an engineer myself, besides of being a business owner, and even our name is Lightware Visual Engineering.
Yes.
So that's really an engineering company.
Yeah.
We have approximately 70 engineers in-house. So all the hardware, software, firmware, FPGA, mechanical design is done in Hungary.
That's fantastic. And you're slowly expanding to the rest of the world, right? So I know obviously you've got offices in Australia and you've got offices over in the US as well. And how's that expansion going?
The expansion goes very well. So a couple of years we started to found our own offices, sales and support representative offices, starting from Australia through Hong Kong, India, various places in Europe, US as well.
Yes.
And we consider ourselves as a global company.
Absolutely.
Even a small one, but it's
small global
global
company. Yeah, no, as I said, I love your products and I love the story behind it. But what new technologies can we see here at ISE? I hear that you've just signed with the SDVOE Alliance, so you've got a new product in the wings that's coming up that you're going to release soon, is that correct?
Yeah, we are working on a new unified communications technology based on the SDVOE technology. What we have today, what's the hot thing, what we are proud of, is our AV over IP technology, which is UBEX.
Yes.
And UBEX is the real non-compressed AV over IP technology.
Yep.
So even at 4K signals, with UBEX we can extend 4K 6444 uncompressed, without any delay, over 20G Ethernet.
Right, and that you're using fiber to do that?
We have two models. We have the fiber version of UBEX, which is using two 10G uplinks, or we have the Cat6, Cat7 copper version, which was just introduced on this ISE, that does the same over copper cables.
Of course, because obviously we're limited by the actual cable itself, right, where we can only deliver 10 gig at a time on Cat6A and up.
That's correct. That's correct. One cable carries 10 gig.
Yes.
And we have a technology. If one of the links fails, then all the packets, all the data is transformed to the remaining link.
Right.
And if we fit in the bandwidth, that's a kind of redundancy of cables, either fiber or Cat cable, to maintain the picture on the screen.
Your Cisco integration products seem to be gaining a lot more traction now. They're very successful. A lot of people using your product to integrate with Cisco room kits and so on, and utilize the Touch 10s that are already in the rooms anyway, right?
Yeah, we are. I'm personally so proud that Cisco recognized us, and we could provide an integrated solution that helps solving clients' problem. What we did during this integration, that on the Touch 10, the end user can recognize the live and connected sources.
Yeah.
Sorry, we are just actually making a video.
Welcome to live TV. That's what happens. So it's quite uncommon for Cisco to open up, their system to others, right, and allow other companies to integrate. I would have thought.
Yeah, Cisco can be considered as a control system, which can be configured or programmed.
Yes.
And we adopted our API, our Lightware 3 open API to that Cisco, and we integrated so we can deliver standalone rooms with 2 screens, or divisible rooms.
And that's a new product, though, isn't it? With the divisible rooms.
Yeah, the divisible room has been just released here.
Yep.
And both fully integrated with the Touch 10.
Wow. Okay. And just going back to SDVOE, that we see a lot more companies using the SDVOE technology. Why did you choose to use that instead of maybe developing your own or using another form of transportation?
SDVOE has 2 major advantages. First one is that they release their ASIC. Right. And having this one-chip solution proves, and because Semtech is behind that, proves that SDVOE is matured to be a stable, reliable future technology.
Yeah. Okay. And do you have any other new products or announcements that you want to make? You want to tell me now, just between you and I?
Absolutely. So we are working on the new generation of the MX2 modular matrices, which are the 4K 60, 444, and later the 8K version of our matrix switchers. For the network AV, we will have some new surprises quite soon.
Okay, you can tell me now. What are these surprises?
Our aim is to find a solution which is a single box product that helps integrate UC rooms, unified communication rooms, single rooms, dual rooms, and provide all the connectivity, cable connectivity, which required in such a meeting room. And this new product family, this UC product family, is just about to be developed. Okay. And we are quite keen and quite hopeful that it will be kind of game changer.
It sounds like it. When can we expect it to hit the market?
We expect it in Q3 or Q4 this year, developing on the different product versions.
Nice. And another thing that, as I said, I love the engineering aspect. You guys are pure engineers, which I absolutely love. And but the thing is, you also listen to people as well. Like, you listen to feedback that you're getting, and I've seen over time that things like your keypads and so on. Like we've had many conversations about making sure that it's aesthetically pleasing, right? And I think what we see behind us now with the new keypads and so on, they're looking a lot better than what they ever have before, right? They're not just an AV device that works really well. It's actually an aesthetically pleasing device.
Yeah, in the past we were kind of industrial guys with industrial designs, and we try to listen to the market, and we try to listen to the feedback, and without having the appeal and fit into room designs, we wouldn't please our customers. So the main goal is to fit the requirements, the expectations, design-wise as well, and that's where we tend to focus in the near future.
Yeah, well, look, it's a fantastic story, it's fantastic products, it's a great company. And where can people go for more information about your products?
The first point of connectivity is our webpage, lightware.com.
Right.
We are so happy to speak with anyone over emails, phone calls, or even in person. We try to be as open and as helpful for our clients as possible.
Well, fantastic. I really appreciate your time. And like I said, if you want more information, head to lightware.com.